Well, hey everybody, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we're back with another video, guys. Hope you're ready to join us. If you're new, welcome. We are really happy to have you join us today. We are going to get started. If you know, I like to jump right on in, get going. We are going to do a simple Dutch board today, black and white, on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. And to assist us, we have the Luscious Black Mars by Blickrylic. And this will be what we'll be using as the base color for our Dutch board today. And this is going to be, like I said, a black and white. So we're going to try and get as much black down for our base color. Should be pretty good, and we'll blow that right on over. So there we have our black down, and we're touching up, making sure we got all our little corners taken care of. And like I said, this is going to be a simple black and white Dutch board, and we're going to do what we can to have fun just with black and white. Torch these air bubbles here. This again is the Blickrylic Mars Black, and it is a nice black color. We're also going to be using for our white some Blickrylic Titanium White, and we're going to try and take. We kind of want to do a design here, going all the way over to the edge, and we want to do something that comes out, giving it some character here. That's starting to react. We're going to take now some actual Blickrylic, which is the base here we just used. Take this through there. And some more black. Some more Blickrylic on top. Really want that going out pretty good. Pretty good. A lot of air bubbles here, so we're popping air bubbles again. All right, now for the fun. We're going to try to blow these out and see what happens. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with Look at that. Look at that. Just lovely. Popping air bubbles again. Just loving it. Simple but elegant. Okay, popsicle stick. Gonna take that around really quick. Capturing excess paint so that we can retain the design here, and then we'll bring you in for a close-up, guys. Really quick black and white Dutch pour, but just super simple and super elegant. All right. Still seeing a few air bubbles. And we're going to bring you in for a close-up. All right, we have the studio light on so we can see, and look what we've got going here. Quite an amazing and detailed Dutch pour with lots of lacing, with cells, black and white, and just amazing. Very pretty. 14 by 14 inch canvas. Lots of richness in here. You can see the details of those cells and the lacing that's right with it, all into the black. Really quick black and white Dutch pour on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. This was a lot of fun. It was a quick one, and we enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed it too. So until next time, keep loving your art, and we will see you all on our next video upload. We so much appreciate you joining us today. Thank you so much. Bye now.